This is the new US PRO Hutch box. I haven't done one of these videos for a while, but I think a short video will help explain some of the features on it. It's 56 inches wide, 8 drawers, large cabinet at the top. Everything about it's heavy duty, from the casters to the runners, the drawer liners, the gas struts, everything on it's professional. Large hutch at the top, heavy duty pegboard, rubber cable inlets, so if you wanted to put chargers in there for drills, or you wanted to put a light or a radio, you've got 4 of those, 2 in each corner. Heavy duty gas struts, heavy duty locking system, all of the deeper drawers have double runners. Deep drawer at the bottom, again double runners, and the drawers on these pull right out, so you get the full use of the drawer. There's no sort of halfway measure, it comes out all the way. Very impressed with this box. We do it in 2 colours, obviously grey with the black handles and all black. But I hope this video helps give some of the features, but yeah, well impressed.